Coca-Cola fired its creative team and handed everything to AI. No directors, no copywriters, just machines. The ad they created, it went viral instantly, but not for the reason they expected. Because at first glance, it looked perfect. Cinematic visuals, smooth transitions, hyper-real scenes. It felt like the future of advertising had arrived, like Madison Avenue had just been replaced overnight. But then people started noticing something off. Not obvious, not loud, just unsettling. Faces that didn't feel human. Movements that looked almost real, but not quite. Backgrounds that subtly glitched when you looked closer. It triggered something psychological, the uncanny valley effect. That strange discomfort your brain feels when something is too real to be fake, but too fake to be real. And suddenly, the internet turned from "this is amazing" to "this feels wrong." This wasn't random. Coca-Cola partnered with Open Alan Bain & Company to launch something called Create Real Magic, an AI-powered platform using GPT-4 and Dolly, designed to let anyone generate Coca-Cola ads in seconds. No agencies, no production costs, just prompts and output. From a business perspective, it's a dream. Lower costs, faster turnaround, infinite variations. This is what every global brand wants. Scale without limits. And for a moment, it looked like Coca-Cola had cracked it. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of excitement, people felt uncomfortable. Some called it soulless. Others said it proved something bigger. That eye can replicate creativity, but it can't originate meaning, because something was missing. Not quality, not polish, human intent, the tiny imperfections, the emotional fingerprints, the subtle decisions that make something feel alive. And this is where the real business lesson hits. Because Coca-Cola didn't just test AI, they tested how far automation can go before it breaks trust. And the answer? Further than we thought, but not all the way. Because in a world flooded with AI content, authenticity becomes a premium asset. Not cheaper, more expensive. The ad didn't fail because Al is bad. It failed because people could feel it was AI. And in a world where everything can look perfect, feeling real is the new competitive advantage. So here's the question. If AI can create anything, why does it still struggle to create something we actually connect with? And more importantly, what does that mean for the future of business?